Hi guys, here I am in the park bottle. We turned all the water on, and what I discovered was, unfortunately, last year when we blew out the water lines, I forgot to turn off the hot water heater. And by draining that, and then this year Trish had me turn the power back on, not thinking, no water in the tank yet, burnt up the elements in the hot water heater. Unfortunately, I didn't only do it here, but I did it in our double wide vacation home too. So I'm going to take this opportunity to teach you guys how to change the hot water elements, the heating elements in your hot water heaters. One of those rare opportunities I have to give you a how-to video. Let's start. First thing to do is locate the hot water heater, which is right inside here. All you do is open it up, and you're going to want to get rid of any insulation that's in your way from completing your mission. Oh. So there is where your hot water element is. Obviously, somebody's done this before because they never put the cover back on it. I gotta find my tools. First thing that we're gonna need to do is to remove these wires. Okay, so you're gonna get a Phillips, and those need to be loosened and remove the wires from the heating element. Just slowly loosen one wire off, and good, that was hard. I got the wires off. Don't touch the wires. I got the breaker off. Now I got to use my tool and unscrew that element out. It'll come out looking like something like this. And I got a new one right here that I'm going to put in, okay? Get my tool.
Oh, Trish told me about this shit show.
So you use this little tool here. It's meant specially for these stupid things because they fit right in there. It's like a special wrench just for that. What you do is you put it on and you just use a screwdriver and you kind of pull. Oh, God damn it!
There we're starting.
Little bit. It's coming loose. Coming loose.
That's what I've been waiting for. Oh, Trish was right. This is so awesome.
I got the new one in. The only thing I forgot about was making sure that you drain the hot water heater before you pull that plug out, because it's gonna find its way out. You got a good view there, Richard?
Oh yeah.
Go back to work.
Nice view.
This one's done. Changing my clothes and moving on to the Mylan. Oh. All cleaned up and dry. Got my wires on. Only thing left to do is okay, just gotta go find my sunglasses in the mud, and then we're moving on to the vacation home, better known as the Mylan home. and I've learned my lesson. The electric will be turned off on these next year. Moving on. All right. Got out of those wet clothes. I'm in the Milan trailer now. We call it the Milan. It's a vacation home. John Milan is the one that put this building here. Thanks, John, for the water shutoffs. Anyways, I got my tool. At the other one. You gotta be careful with these things, man, because they are not meant good for fingers. It's loose. It's loose. Oh, God. Well, that looks like a problem. That's definitely not the right part. Back to L&M.
What are you doing?
Where are we going, baby?
L&M.
How come we're going to L&M?
Because we have to take some parts back that you didn't need.
And one of them is wrong. Because I didn't look at it first, right?
Right? Next time we'll take your glasses in.
Do you think I would learn? Yeah, glasses help. What are we going to do for
We're
lunch?
gonna go to lunch at Perkins.
We're going to Perkins for lunch. Maybe I should get my eyes on the road.
Maybe.
Another long ride to L&M. See you there. After Perkins. Almost there, baby. Look at this guy. I bet you he parks on the lines. How much you want to bet? Because he drives on the lines. Look at him. How much you want to bet I follow him into Walmart? He parks on the lines. Oh. Parking or what? Look how far I am off of the line. Take some lessons. What? It's true. Breakfast time, yes. Here we are in Perkins. The last time we were able to eat in a restaurant was in Florida. Around, what?
I like March 10th.
March 10th. That's 11, almost 12 weeks ago since we've been able to sit down and order food and have it delivered to our table. It's gonna be good. And then I gotta get back to work fixing those hot water heaters. That's gonna be fun, and I'll show you how it's done.
Yay.
Oh, this is a video. You guys gotta see this. Look at this man. What's your name?
Hey, Mike.
Mike, look at that. Baby, go over there. She loves the peck. This is at L&M. Thanks a lot, Mike. Okay, we're back. And I got the only one close to what they had. They don't have the exact one. As you can see, it's a little bit shorter. It should still work, though. Might take a little longer to heat, but that's all I got. Let's go throw it in. Here I am, new part. As you remember, here I'll give you a better view. I'm going to turn this off for a second. I'll turn it around. Remember, you got your two live wires, which thank God now I've learned my lesson. I turned the power off, and all you're going to do is slide it right back into that little hole there. Okay, it's in. Now I'm using my little tool here that I showed you. Because they stay on so well. Give it one last tight. God damn it, my fucking... Sorry. Stay on there, would you? Killing me here, man. Oh God, I can't take it no more. Okay, it's in. I connected the wires. Don't touch. Don't touch. Time to turn on the water. Don't flip the switch until the tank is full of water, or you gotta go through all this again. Begin water fillage. Okay guys, I got it all together. Tank is filled. Power's back on. Got everything put back to where it was. All closed up in that little door over there. And everything went smooth for, you know how things go for me. Could have been worse. Anyways, went very well. Everything's working. Park model's got hot water. This one's got hot water. Ain't nothing to it the way we do it. Ow!